Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub by Neutrogena. I have been using this scrub for a couple of years now and I absolutely love it. I use it twice a day and I think that it has made a huge difference in my skin. So what it is supposed to do is, according to the website, it says Blackhead Eliminating Daily Face Scrub clears blackheads and helps prevent new ones, leaving your skin clear and smooth. Its powerful combination of blackhead fighting medicine and exfoliators works to clean pores and help keep them free of blackheads. Salicylic Acid acne medicine penetrates pores to remove blackhead causing dirt and oil, while gentle exfoliators sweep away dead skin cells, and skin smoothing exfoliators and conditioners help prevent skin from over drying. That was a mouthful. But basically, this scrub penetrates into your pores and it removes your blackheads and it helps prevent new ones. It smooths your skin. It has 2% salicylic acid, which helps with acne, which is basically an acne treatment. Or actually, literally says right here, salicylic acid acne treatment. And also, it does not contain plastic microbeads, which has become kind of controversial recently because people are complaining about all of these scrubs and whatnot that have the plastic microbeads in them, and what happens is, yeah, they're extremely tiny, but hundreds of thousands, millions of people use it. Those kind of accumulate and it clogs different, I don't know what it is exactly, but like it has to do with the ocean, and it's just not good for the environment in the long run. So this does not contain any of those, which is really, really great. You're supposed to use it twice a day, which I have been doing. I'm pretty religious about my skincare routine, so I do it twice a day. You apply it just like any other kind of soap. Basically, you wet your face and then you apply a little bit of this to your hands and you add water, and then you just rub it and work it into a lather, and then you just massage it onto your face and then rinse. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And so yeah, this is a 4.2 fluid ounce bottle, or tube, whatever you want to call it. And this usually lasts me a couple of months using it twice a day, which is pretty good. Because yeah, it's pretty good. You set to store it at a room temperature, which I think is pretty standard. So as far as for me, I actually, like I said, I've been using it. I used to struggle a lot with like adult acne and blackheads, and this has changed my life. I absolutely love this. Of course, it's not the only thing that I use, but I absolutely love this scrub. It definitely did help with my blackheads, and it also keeps them at bay. So it's not something that I really have to worry about anymore, so long as I continue to use this. Let's take a look. The back, it says, basically it just says everything that I've just said to you. It does have some warnings, such as skin irritation and dryness is more likely to occur if you use another topical acne medication at the same time. That's probably talking about if you're using something else that has more salicylic acid in it, because that can actually dry out your skin. So you definitely want to use some other facial cleansers too before this. I usually use a face wash and then use the scrub to kind of just make sure it's all clean, and then also just to make my skin nice and smooth. But I make sure that my facial scrub doesn't have salicylic acid. It's not an actual acne treatment, it's just a cleanser. So this is an acne treatment. So you don't want to use another acne treatment with it, because then that can be really, really harsh on your skin, especially if you're already prone to acne. That means that you already have sensitive skin. So you just need to be careful with that. avoid any contact with eyes, and keep out of reach of children, normal warnings. So yeah, it doesn't have any warnings like this could cause more breakouts or this could cause a rash. Of course it can, because everyone's skin is different, but that's just something to watch out for and something that is a risk whenever you are going to use a new product. But let's see, the main ingredient is, of course, water, cetyl alcohol, cellulose, lactate, totally natural, just kidding, but yeah, it is a very, very good working acne treatment that you don't need a prescription for, one that you can get anywhere. So go ahead and open this up. It's just a little, it has just a little snap, so you just pull that open. And I'll put a little bit of my finger so that you can kind of see. It has a very scrub type of feeling, like it feels, I don't know if you can kind of see a little bit of that texture. If you can see that it's a little bit grainy, like it feels like it has microbeads in it, but it doesn't. So it's a little bit grainy, so it is definitely a scrub. It's gonna be like a mess, but it's definitely a scrub. Yeah, you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see like an orange little grain there. It's a little difficult to see because it's so tiny. But yeah, I'm just gonna rub that in so that it's not all over my hands. So I really, really love this. I love that it doesn't have the plastic microbeads. So those basically, the grains in there kind of just dissolve. And you do have to twist the lid the first time that you're going to use it to take off the little foil covering there, which I also like because then you know that no one at the store has like tried squeezing it and gotten a little product. You know you're getting a full product. So yeah, overall I really, really love this scrub, and I would recommend it to anyone who is trying to combat their acne. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.